Tell them. Where Talia? Chocolate? Okay. Okay, open here. Then we will throw the ano. Where's the scoop? Where's this ano? I'll see. Want me? Do you want me to taste it? Huh? Yeah. Yep. I'll see. Look at us. Okay, Talia bought her new shoes, white shoes to be used in the parade on May. Your shoe is there down on Talia. Put in the hole yet. Okay na? We are here at Chongsan and we bought these two shirts of Talia. Size 12. Okay, sige. How many shirts did you buy? Two white shirts? 12 also? Okay. You see if it will fit you? Hindi kayo maluwag yan? So, okay lang, no? Okay, go. Where? There's stall 73. We are here at the Hanger Market now in Kayang Street to get the skirt of Talia. Talia wants tilapia. So come on, find tilapia there.
Anak, dito yan. 150 sir.
Oh, there, Talia, they'll clean your tilapia. We are here at Center Mall, 4th floor, to buy some tassels for Talia's button.
We also need rope.
What's this? 5 cents up.
We also need a rope.
Yeah, okay, go inside. Is going to buy tassel again, black and red. Oh, there, get it, Talia. Get the black. Okay, that's your tassel, okay? The strings, I don't know where they bought the strings.
Strings. You mean rope?
The rope nga.
I just arrived home today. We only have 800 left. This is
800 left. How much this?
Hi, we ano pala? We have
Oh, your skirt,
we
show.
have 200 left.
200 left. Oh, that's your skirt. How much that? 300.
Okay.
Put there, baka-
300.
And then this is 300. And then what's that?
Tilapia.
You like to eat tilapia later?
Yes.
Okay, there's your kasabak tali, di ba? You like that?
Cassava
Oh, okay. How much money left?
200.
Okay.
Thank you.